Right. Today I'm having a explore down a public footpath, and I believe there's some remains of a house, or maybe a car. Well, I see a Land Rover over there already, and there's a caravan. But I think it's down here somewhere. Let's have a look, shall we? See what we can find. I know there's a load of cars over there, but it's getting into it and not getting caught. But the house is just behind here. Yes, we are on a public footpath. It's not allowed down here. And I think it's in there somewhere. So I might have to be jumping some fences in a minute by the looks of it. Let's see how far we can go down here. Oh dear, there's not much left. Doesn't look like there's much left. Let's see if we can find a way over the fence. Looks a bit overgrown. Definitely overgrown. Right. I'm going to jump over the fence here. This looks alright. I don't care. Some brambles stuck on me. I don't care. Right. I'm over. Let's go have a look, shall we? Oh man, this looks pretty overgrown. How the hell am I going to get over there? Right, I see the tops of a car. Don't know how I'm going to get around there. Oh, damn. This looks like it could be impossible. Squash our way through by the looks of it. Oh shit. I'm attacked by brambles. What things you do to get... Oh shit. I'm getting ripped to pieces here. Oh my god. It's like swash it down as we go along by the looks of it. Oh, shit. Ow. Oh, look at this way. Look down here. That was a bugger to get through. Got thorns stuck in my legs. Ah, shit. I'm gonna get over here. Right, I found there's a barn down here. Can't get in there. Oh, this is to be challenging. There's got to be something here. Definitely a barn there. Oh, I can't get in there. Bear with me while I try and find a way in. Right. Found a caravan. Looks like it's been used for quite a while. I see a cat. Hello, cat. I don't think I'll be going in there. I don't know how I'm going to get round to this house. Can I get around this way? Oh, the cat's done a runner. Let's go back this way. Right. Looks like we're going to have to walk through some brambles and get scratched a bit. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is not looking good. I've got to go see if I can find that car. I know it's over here somewhere. Right. Back this way. Without falling down loads of holes. Right, I'm going to have to climb across this lot. Right, back in a minute. Right, I found a shed. I still can't get in it. There's meant to be a car in there somewhere. I can't see it anywhere. It's probably here somewhere. Trying this side. Potato slabs. Oh shit, I'm gonna get in that. More climbing. Oh shit. Ow. It's not good. Right. Oh man, it doesn't look very safe. Oh, it's not a car. It's a boat. Oh. I'm now ripped to pieces. Not much here. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's what I thought was a car on Google Maps. But it's not. Crappy little boat. There's a shed behind there, which I can't seem to get into. There's no way of finding a way in. Oh dear. I ripped myself to pieces. Full of thorns. But never mind. It was fun. Right. Never mind. Found a boat anyway. And a shed. And lots of thorns. Now I've got to find my way back out of here. Never mind, let's go this way. Oh, I'm sure it's got the easier in the way to come in. Yeah. Let's go down here. I ain't going back that way. Right. See you in a minute. Right, let's carry on down this footpath. See what we can find down here. Oh, I have found. Looking at Metro. Look at that. Little Metro there, isn't it? Down this path down here. I need to empty my shoes out. They're full of thorns. Down here. Back in a minute. Well, I found some vans. Some deers, can we? Tractor stuff. What else can we find in there? It starts here. Can't get away in there somehow. A lot of thorn stuck in my feet. Doesn't feel too good. Some trailers. Pretty cool. What we got down here? JCB. What we have in there is a Ford Transit van. And that's like the remains of a roll top bath. Right. JCB. Down here. Empty shed. Nice. Transit. So noisy transits. Camper van. Been a long time. Noisy lawnmowers. This is very creepy. I feel like I'm being watched. Another transit van. Pajero. That beauty. Nice. Bedford van. Another tractor down there. Definitely likes his tractors and his lawnmowers. Another Pajero there. Look. Three more tractors. There's a Land Rover Discovery down there, another transit. Going down there. Right, that's the way I looked. Let's come in. So I'll wander back up here. I'm going in stone. Let's have a look down here. Oh yes. We have what looks like an old Rover. And another one next to it there. And more tractors. Super major. Another transit van. Another tractor. And about a million more lawnmowers. There's a car over there. I cannot see what that is. There's loads of tractors here. Oh, Mocky Miner. Oh, yes. What a beauty. Lots of chicken. Somebody definitely lives there, those chickens. More tractors. My days, how many tractors does somebody want? There's another transit van over there, pickup. Another tractor. There's that car there. I think it's fiberglass. Let's get out of here. Bit sketchy around here. Definitely a bit sketchy. Let's walk back up here. Turn this off. Time to get out of here, I think. I love that that's in there. Somebody got to live here, surely. Just greenhouses down here. See this truck. Is there any more cars down there? Sounds like all the birds are waking up, so best get out of here. Oh, that's quite an interesting find. Back out where we started. Got some geese in there. Right. I think it's time to get out of here. Oh, not bad little find that. Let's go this way. Past the old JCB. Right, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a bit scary on that one. Not sure if anyone's there or not. See if I can get out onto the main road from here. I don't think I can. Right, bye.